Hello everyone. In this video, we will be learning about standard normal distribution. It is a special type of distribution with mean mu is equal to 0 and standard deviation sigma is equal to 1. That is, if we take normal distribution, here this is the line of symmetry, which is mu is equal to 0. Then next is mu plus sigma, mu plus 2 sigma, mu plus 3 sigma. As we know, first standard deviation from the mean, second standard deviation from the mean, and third standard deviation from the mean. And left hand side, mu minus sigma, mu minus 2 sigma, mu minus 3 sigma. Now this is mu. So here mu is equal to 0. Then standard deviation is 1. So 0 plus 1, 1. Then 2, 3. Here 0 minus 1 minus 1, 0 minus 2 minus 2, minus 3. So in this way we can extend here 4 minus 4. As we know, it is from minus infinity to plus infinity. So this is nothing but the standard normal distribution where mu is equal to 0, sigma is equal to 1. And if we consider this is the random variable which follows this distribution is denoted by Z. Z is also called as standard normal variate. Z is standard normal variable or standard normal variate. So if a random variable x follows a normal distribution with mean mu and standard deviation sigma, then the variable z is defined as z is equal to x minus mu upon sigma, which has a standard distribution, that is standard normal distribution. Mean is equal to 0 and standard deviation is equal to 1. So this is also referred as z score. This formula of z is also referred as z score, and shape of this standard normal distribution is same as the shape of the normal distribution. And this z score gives the number of standard deviation from the mean. So here if z is equal to 1 standard deviation from the mean, z is equal to 2 standard deviation from the mean. So if we are considering z is equal to 3, so it tells us that the distance is from 3 standard deviation from the mean. And if I am taking 3.5, so 3.5 standard deviations from the mean. That is, if we are taking minus 1 to 1, this is first standard deviation, minus 2 to 2 standard deviations from the mean, minus 3 to 3 standard deviations from the mean. So z score tells the number of standard deviations from the mean. So let us take one example here. So if we have the normal curve in this form and line of symmetry, which is mu. So let us consider mu is equal to 60 and sigma is equal to 10. So here it would be 60. This is the line of mu, line of mean. Then mu plus sigma 70, 80, 90, 100, and this side 50, 40, 30, 20. So the same rule we are applying, mu plus sigma, mu minus sigma. Left hand side mu minus sigma, right hand side mu plus sigma. Similarly, mu minus 2 sigma, mu plus 2 sigma onwards. Okay, so in the previous diagram we have discussed this, how we are writing the mean and representing the mean and standard deviation in the diagram. So here mu is 60 and sigma is 10, and we know the z score value, that is z is equal to x minus mu upon sigma. So let us substitute here for this value. Here x is equal to 60, because this is these values represents a random variable x is equal to 60, and for this distribution mu is equal to 60 and divided by 10, so it is 0. So how we are getting now the new diagram? Here now z is equal to 0. Then for this term, here x is equal to 70, mu is 60 divided by 10. So here 10 divided by 10, which is 1. So next entry is 1. First entry was 0, next entry is 1. Then similarly for 80, z score is 80 minus 60 divided by 10, which is 20 divided by 10, 2. So here we are getting 2. For next value 90, x is 90 now. So in this formula now we are substituting x as 90. 90 minus 60 divided by 10, which is 30 divided by 10. So it gives 3. Now similarly for 50, again substituting the value of x as 50. So z becomes 50 minus 60 divided by 10. So which is minus 10 by 10, it gives minus 1. So earlier value 3, now it is minus 1 left hand side. For z is equal to 40. 40 minus 60 divided by 10, which is minus 20 divided by 10. So minus 2. So here minus 2. So in this way we can plot here minus 3, minus 4, plus 4. Now whatever may be the distribution, whatever may be the shape of the distribution, after using the z score, that is z is equal to x minus mu upon sigma, it will be converted to standard normal distribution with mean mu is equal to 0 and sigma is equal to 1 always. So the distribution may be with highly peaked, the distribution may be with plateau, or it is a normal. Then always it will be these whatever may be the type of the distribution, which is normal distribution, it will be converted to standard normal variate, which is starting from mu is equal to 0 with standard deviation 1. So the distribution which is denoted by n with mu 0, standard deviation is 1, is nothing but standard normal distribution. So in the, and once we have the z score, we have to refer the z table, that is normal distribution table, and using that normal distribution table we can get the required probability or area under the curve. That we will see in the next video. Thank you.